How's everybody doing today? Just got to work and I'm gonna have me some breakfast, so what better breakfast than some MRE Nation Ham Slice. Yeah, when I got this one, the bottom blew out, so I just melted it back together with my lighter, because the UPS guy likes to deliver stuff and not listen to what he's told. So he just left my packages sitting out for 8 hours in sub-zero temperatures, and so everything was frozen when I got it anyway. But anyways, enough of me crying. Let's get into this. And today's knife is another Kubi. This one is a little different steel. It's a carbon fiber handle, very nicely made. The metal in this one is N690, so it's kind of a step in between the D2 and the S35 VN, so it's not quite top quality, but it's about mid-grade, still upper mid-grade, I'd say. But they got their new pivot screw on this one. It's a flipper. Pocket clip, a little rigid, the pocket clip is, but fit and finish on this knife is beautiful. Stonewash, it's good jimping on there. Flipper works beautifully. So your basic flat grind drop point design, very sharp. There's your N690, I think that's showing up correctly. No, more like that. Very comfortable to hold on to. The jimping is perfect. So this knife will be in around the $80–90 range, but that's because the materials it's made out of. Very sharp. All right, chow time. Butter buds, cheese spread. Cheese is always good with ham. Ham slice. It's a big one. Instant mashed potatoes. Fruit and nut medley. Standard FRH. Carrot pound cake. I love carrot cake. Sweetened condensed milk cream spread. Peanut butter. Grape jelly, accessory pack, so MRE Star spoon, pepper, Smarties, American Smarties, deep rich coffee, moist towelette, some clear pink lemonade, sugar, true lemon, true lime, coffee creamer, and salt somewhere down there. Yeah, there it is. Salt. We're going to get our main started. Well, I didn't get the MRE Nation accessory pack, so I can't use the thingy as a bowl, so I'll just use this bowl I found laying around in my truck. Really cool potato flakes. Never had butter buds before, but I like butter. It says 8 ounces of water. That is 1 cup of water. gets a lot of bubbles in there. That's what's making it a little bit milky. Very good pink lemonade flavor. A little on the sweet side, but not bad. Not bad at all. Fruit and nut medley. I think this is the one with cherries in it. I like cherries. I do not, however, like banana chips. Pull those off the side. I think this is a chunk of papaya. Try this cherry. Cherry's a little tart. Strawberry is really sweet. Carrot cake. Smells like a carrot cake. It's got that nice sticky top on it, like a regular old carrot cake would have. Smells really good. Oh yeah, it's got a nice spiced cake flavor with nice chewy bits of carrot in there. Kind of reminds me of the regular old spice cake they put in, except a lot more moisture. I've never had the sweetened condensed milk before. A little runny. Very good flavor though. It is super sweet. The FRH worked beautifully. Let's get this ham out of there. Let us liberate this ham. A lot of juice. Oh, it's a lot darker than I thought it'd be. But it is processed. That's some really good ham. Got a nice smoke flavor to it. Nice and salty. It's got a very nice texture to it for being shaped and formed. It's not like trying to chew on bubble gum. It actually falls apart in your mouth very nicely. Get these mashed potatoes out, I reckon. The taters formed up nicely to at least my considered perfect consistency. Alright, let's use some of this fusion peach habanero sent to me by AK Fabe. And that goes very nicely with ham. All right, y'all, that was absolutely amazing. I mean, I love ham. If I was at like a campfire or something, I would have taken that ham slice and just rendered the crap out of it until it became a piece of shoe leather, pretty much. Or it's so it'd be like a giant slab of bacon. But yeah, it's mashed potatoes, ham juice. That carrot cake is absolutely awesome. Don't care for the banana chips. Now, I did like the freeze-dried bananas because those are two totally different things. These are like sugar-coated, grainy, yuck. That's just my opinion. Some people really love them. Yeah, this was like, could use a piece of bread to soak up the aftermath, but that's okay. Yeah, anyways, y'all take care, stay safe, enjoy your day. It's actually warming up out here, so the ice is turned to mud. Yay. Alright, later. Yeah, y'all stay safe. Yeah. Don't know what to say.